Hi, my name is Johnny. Let me give you a quick tour of our Juicy coaster and show you the features that will make your adventure more enjoyable and comfortable.
To fill up with fresh water, locate the freshwater hose from the storage and insert into the inlet, then to the tap. To empty the grey water tank, locate the hose from the storage and connect the grey water hose. Pull handles on the hose down to secure. Pull the handle to drain. The camper takes diesel fuel and AdBlue. Open the passenger's door before opening the fuel flap. The camper is equipped with a fire extinguisher. This is located on the inside of the side door. The spare tyre is located under the back of the vehicle. Your tools are located at the bottom of the driver's seat. This is your domestic control panel. There are 3 switches: power button, lights and water pump. To turn them on, push the top of the switch in. The green light will illuminate. Coaster comes with USB inputs located at the back of the vehicle and below the light switch on the inside of the passenger's side door. Make sure the power button is on from the control panel. To operate the lights, turn on the power button on the control panel. The light switch is located on the inside next to the back side door. To operate the fridge, hold down the power button on the fridge. You can adjust the temperature by pushing the plus or minus button. To operate the gas stove, locate the gas canisters and remove the red cap. Line up the gap to the neck of the canister to the gas compartment. Press down the gas control button to lock the canister in place. Turn the flame control switch all the way round until it clicks and ignites the stove. Adjust the flame size to your liking. To turn off, turn the flame control switch to the off position. Flick up the gas control button to release the canister and then put away the canister. If you need to replace a gas canister, these can be purchased at any Bunnings, Kmart and some supermarkets. To use the water, flick the water pump switch on and turn on the tap to activate the pump. Make sure you turn off the switch after you have finished. To operate the toilet, pull out from the compartment. Fill up here with water and pump the flush button to fill up the bowl. Pull the handle in front of the toilet to empty into the waste tank. To empty the waste tank, unclip both clips from the side and remove the top of the toilet. Unscrew this lid to empty. To set up the bed, remove the table from the dining area and stow away the table leg. Insert the extension panel. Line up the table in the middle of the seats to complete the bed base. Use the 2 small backrest cushions to make up the middle part of the bed. The coaster is equipped with privacy curtains on the rear windows and in the front cabin.
That's it for now. If you need any more information, please check out our Help Hub online or the handy how-to guide that's in your vehicle. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.